What if I told you that your house could be cleaning itself right now while you sleep, not because of any gadget, not because of any expensive product, because of 7 simple things you can set up before you go to bed tonight that will do all the hard work while you are fast asleep. My name is Agnes Pearl Womack. I am 70 years old. I have kept house my whole life, and the best cleaning lesson my mother ever taught me was this: the smartest cleaning is the cleaning you do not have to do yourself. You set it up, you walk away, you wake up to a cleaner home. Tonight I am going to show you exactly how. The first one is your microwave. Before you go to bed tonight, fill a microwave-safe mug 3/4 full of water and squeeze in half a lemon. Run it for 3 minutes until the inside is good and steamy. Then, and this is the part that matters, do not open it. Leave it sealed all night. That steam loosens every bit of grease and dried food splatter inside. By morning, it all wipes away with a damp cloth. No scrubbing, no soaking. The steam did every bit of it while you slept. The second one is your mattress. Most people never think about this, but your mattress absorbs sweat, oils, and odors every single night and never gets cleaned. Strip your sheets off before a trip or a day away from home. Sprinkle 1 to 2 cups of plain baking soda evenly all over the surface. Leave it overnight. The baking soda draws out odors and moisture from deep inside the mattress. When you come back, vacuum it off thoroughly and your mattress will feel genuinely fresh in a way no spray ever manages. The third one is your oven racks. Most people scrub these by hand and it takes forever. There is a better way. Fill your bathtub with the hottest water your tap runs. Drop in 3 dishwasher detergent pods and let them dissolve. Submerge your oven racks completely and leave them overnight. The chemistry in those pods breaks down every bit of baked-on grease and carbon while you sleep. In the morning, put on your rubber gloves, wipe the racks down with a sponge, and rinse. The gunk slides right off. No scrubbing at all. The fourth one is your shower head. If your water sprays sideways or comes out weak, that is mineral buildup clogging the nozzles. Fill a Ziploc bag halfway with plain white vinegar. Submerge the shower head into the bag and secure it with a rubber band so the head is fully soaking. Leave it overnight. The vinegar dissolves every bit of that mineral crust while you sleep. In the morning, remove the bag, give the nozzles a quick scrub with an old toothbrush, and run the water for 30 seconds. It will spray perfectly clean and strong the way it did when it was new. The fifth one is your towels and gym clothes. If your towels smell musty within an hour of a shower, or your gym clothes never quite lose that particular smell, no matter how many times you wash them, this is the overnight fix. Fill a bucket or your bathtub with hot water and 1 scoop of oxygen bleach. Submerge your items and leave them overnight. In the morning, launder as usual. The difference will stop you in your tracks. Oxygen bleach works at the fiber level while it soaks, lifting odor compounds and residue that regular detergent never reaches. Now here are 2 things the cleaning bottle companies would just as soon you never came to know. The sixth one is your toilet bowl. Before you go to bed tonight, pour half a cup of plain borax powder directly into the bowl. Do not flush. Do not scrub, just leave it. Borax is a naturally occurring mineral that has been used for cleaning since the 1800s. Overnight, it works its way into the mineral deposits and the stains coating that porcelain, the rust, the lime, the brown ring you have been fighting for months. In the morning, give the bowl 1 light brush around and flush. That ring will be gone or very nearly so. For a stubborn old stain, do it 2 nights in a row. And if you do this once a week as maintenance, that ring will never come back again. Half a cup of borax, costs almost nothing, works while you sleep. The 7th one is your washing machine drum. If your machine smells musty or your laundry comes out with a smell you cannot explain, the drum itself is the problem. Mold and mildew grow inside the drum, around the door seal, and in the detergent drawer, slow and invisible. Before bed, pour 2 cups of plain white vinegar directly into the drum, then sprinkle half a cup of baking soda on top. Close the door and leave it overnight. In the morning, run the hottest empty cycle your machine has. The vinegar kills the mold and mildew at the root. The baking soda neutralizes the odor, and the hot cycle flushes everything clean. Do this once a month and your machine stays fresh, and your laundry comes out smelling the way clean laundry is actually supposed to smell. 7 things, set them up tonight. Wake up tomorrow to home that cleaned itself while you rested. That is the kind of cleaning my mother believed in. Not harder, smarter, using what is already there: time, chemistry, and a little patience to do the work for you. Try even one of these tonight, and if it works for you, pass it on to someone who is still scrubbing when they do not have to. Bye. God bless you all. Sleep well.